How to track your ride on transit app. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can track your ride on the transit application. So the first step is to install the transit application, then click on it to launch the app. So having launched the app and you are brought to the home page, you would see a map. Okay, now on this map you'll see your location and a list of nearby transit lines along with their departure lines. Now the reason why my own screen is this way without much transit lines or departure lines is because I am currently in an unsupported region, in the sense that transit application does not have this does not support this particular region where I am. So the departure lines are not being shown. But for you, you would see your transit lines along with their next departure times. So to switch direction for any line that is in direction where your bus is and which you want to track, just swipe either left or right, just like I am doing here, and then you will see that the real-time departures are marked with radio waves indicating when the bus or the train is actually arriving. So you can just tap any line to view later departures, find the nearest stop, and track your bus or train. Alright, so this is basically how to do it. Okay, just tap on the lines in order to track your bus or train. So this is how you can track your ride on transit app, and from here you'll be able to know when your bus is arriving and when it is not. So thanks for watching and have a good day.